Alright everybody, welcome back to Skyway Classics YouTube channel. We are now going for a ride in our 1966 Ford Bronco. First generation in the first year of the Bronco. As you know, they mass produced from 1966 to 1977, along moving on to the 80 Bronco and the newer style Broncos. But going back to the one we have here, this one is basically a true classic. It is the camper version, as you can see. We have no top, but of course this car didn't just serve as a camper, but it serves as a good climbing vehicle, as well as a good vehicle to take to the beach. Starting with the exterior, you got the white exterior with the old school wheels on it. Going into the interior, you can see they painted the dash in a gray with the nice silver style bucket seats. You may also notice that I'm shifting this thing from the column. That's because they called it a 3 on the tree manual stick car. Other than that, you got your 2 back seats back there. Unless you want to show the children, your friends, even the surfboards back there. Underneath the hood, you got the inline 6, cruising very nice. In fact, let's give it a little bit of a brake test. Brakes are pretty good, idle's pretty steady. Even shifting this thing is like driving a new car, and personally, I'd love to have it myself. But just for now, we're going to continue our cruise back to the hoist, so stay tuned to see the underneath.